Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both drives. Make sure the SSD matches your laptop or desktop interface and is recognized by the system. Once connected, open Disk Management to initialize and set the SSD GPT or MBR matching your source. Clone software needs an exact target size allocation. Therefore, free up space on the HDD if necessary and disable hibernation and BitLocker so the clone proceeds uninterrupted. Now launch your chosen cloning tool and select disk-to-disk cloning, picking the HDD as source and the SSD. While cloning, choose Intelligent Clone if the SSD is smaller but large enough for used data. Sector by sector is safer but slower and needs equal or larger targets. As the process runs, make sure partition alignment is set to 1 MB to optimize SSD performance and longevity. After cloning completes, use your partition tool to shrink or expand the C. Partition so it utilizes the SSD space correctly. Also confirm the EFI/boot and recovery partitions are present. Without them, the system may not boot from the new drive. Once the clone and partition adjustments are done, power down and physically swap the drives. Remove the HDD and install the SSD into the original drive bay, ensuring connections are secure and screws snug. Boot into BIOS or UEFI, set the SSD as the first boot device, and confirm OSI mode for best performance. If the system does not boot, use Windows Repair Media to run startup repair or rebuild the BCD. This fixes common bootloader issues. Finally, trim should be enabled and old HDD data securely wiped if repurposing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.